you're going to be for most of the rest of the day. If you venture out, you're in a lot of trouble because once you get outside the city limits, it's almost impossible to travel out there with the road closures and the near zero visibility with those high wind gusts. And I-29 closed from Grand Forks all the way to Sioux Falls. No travel advised across a good portion of the eastern Dakotas.
It's 2 degrees at 10:11, twice an hour or whenever news happens. I'm Tom Jennings, News Radio 790 KFGO.
Can you even see these signs?